Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to review to all of you my unique investment strategies that combine the power of option selling with the stability of high dividend ETF. And I have been doing this thing for many years, and today I'm going to review to all of you step by step what I do myself, which it is the combination of options and dividend. And of course, if you are also looking for a way to generate consistent passive income and grow your wealth over time, this is the video for you. So what exactly it is my investment style? I am an option seller. Like I said to you guys, it's the first thing that I do myself. And that means I sell options on stocks, ETFs, index, and futures, especially the ES and MES, to generate a steady stream of income by selling puts and covered calls to collect premium. And this income, I can turn that into shares of high dividends ETFs every single month. To give you a quick explanation what I mean option seller, it is very simple. Let's say, for example, the stock XYZ, it is trading right now at $100. Are we going to buy market price? No, we are not. We are going to sell option all the way down here at 10% discount at $90, okay? This is like what? 10% discount. If XYZ after X days, and these X days can be 30 days, 15 days, 45 days, 60 days. I like the range of between 30 to 60. If in 30 or to 60 days in the future, if XYZ stay above $90, we keep the whole premium we collect when you sold this option, and we just move on to another expiration date or another product. If it is close below $90, what's going to happen is we can manage this trade, or we can get assigned and hold the shares. Let's say the VU or the SCHD or the SPY, triple QI or triple Q, ILF, GPIX, GPIQ, FJEP, all this kind of stuff, because we're going to collect here dividends. Very important. So we start here with option selling, and once we cannot manage the trade anymore, or if we are willing to hold the stock or the security, we are going to hold to collect dividends. Very simple. And if we do get assigned here on this $90 strike price, we are going to collect dividends, okay? But the initial premium here that we got paid for selling the option, let's say we got paid here $100. What we're gonna do is we're gonna start to compound the number of shares that we are going to hold on whatever security we might like. We might buy here, let's say SCVOL, we might buy here SCHD, we might buy here, let's say NUSI, we might buy here, let's say QDTE or FEP, JEP, and so on. So we're going to use the premium to buy more ETFs that pay nice dividends. We are going to use the dividends themselves to buy more ETFs that pays dividend, so you guys can have an idea how crazy and how great this compound is in this strategy. So this is the best part of the strategy. You're going to use that cash flow of the premium received for selling the option to invest in high dividend ETF. This way, I'm constantly growing my portfolio while getting paid, or maybe in other words, getting paid to wait to buy those securities at a discount price. And this whole thing is just a cycle of income and growth. Premium from options goes into dividend, which pay out more passive income, which then gets reinvest again. This is just a loop that we have. It's almost like the wheel strategy, but in other words, with a little bit more leverage, because you're going to use dividends to buy ETFs. They're going to pay more dividends. We're going to use premium to buy ETFs. They're going to pay dividends to buy more ETFs that pays dividends, if you get what I mean. And the reason why I love this kind of strategy, or in other words, this trading plan when it comes to ETFs, they provide us consistent cash flow and the compound over time. Plus, they give me the freedom to reinvest without worrying about short-term price and swings. Because the best time to do when it comes to invest, like I always say to guys, it is for us to be in the market and not wait timing in the market when you're going to have the next correction. Because I don't know, you don't know, nobody knows when the market is going to drop 10%, 20%, 40%. So the best thing to do, it is over time to be fully invested. You can still have your, let's say, your cash account on the side. You can still have 20% cash, 30% cash, but the rest, in my opinion, of course, no financial advice. It is to be fully invested all the time so you can collect that dividend every single month. So just to refine for you guys again, so the first step we're gonna do is we're gonna sell cash secure puts. Very, very simple. Once we get assigned, we might sell here some covered call, or we might just hold the shares and collect dividends, okay? And of course, this whole thing here will be reinvest for us to build up that compound, which is gonna grow our portfolio over time. And this strategy, it's amazing because it works for us. It leverages time decay, premium income, and dividend growth all at once. It's powerful combination that generates passive income while compounding over time. But you might ask, what if in terms of trade management? This is very simple, but it is another subject for another video. If we do get assigned here on the $90 strike price like we used before from $100 stock price, what you can do is you can roll this option. You can still collect in premium, and sometimes depending on where the price is going to be, if it's deep in the money, you might not be able to decrease this strike price, but depending where it is, you might be able to go from 90, let's say, to 87.5, and it's still collecting a credit. So in other words, you made more money and you decrease risk, but you need to know exactly what you're doing when it comes to trading management for option selling. And I got all this thing in my channel. You can go and watch and learn for free. Otherwise, click on the first link below and join our Discord group, and you can learn all these things for free, and you can have all the trading plan that we use as well. As you guys can see here, what we do is we have all the trading plan in terms of dividend. This is just the dividend journal. As you guys can see, we can place all your dividends, and here we'll go straight to your transactions, and from here we go straight to your dashboard. Okay, I think I've got this one net leaked here, or maybe yeah, that's right, this one here. As you guys can see, this is my account over time, because what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn here 10K into $1 million. Is it crazy? Absolutely yes. It is possible. Of course it is. How long is it gonna take? I don't have a clue. But this is going to be a 10K into $1 million using that compound that I just mentioned to you guys, which it is the combination of option selling and dividend. In my point of view, the two best things when it comes to investing in the stock market. Okay, as you guys can see, right now our account it is 18,000.3K, and we are up roughly almost 16% against 11% of the market since we started this portfolio here 163 days ago. 16% in 8 months, guys. It's not something that's gonna happen every single day, but it is possible with a proper risk and trade management. We're not risking the farm here on these trades, okay? We are buying really good stuffs, as you guys can see here. We're buying here, let's say, Ford, EWZ, JEP, SEVO. We got here emerging markets. We got a stock here, manufacturing, of course, can be a little bit volatile, but great dividends. And of course, 2 ETFs that pay us a really nice high yield dividend, okay? If you want to be part of our Discord group, you can get access to all the materials and things like this, for example, where I show you guys how to invest in the early stage. For those of you that are working right now, making great money as a doctor, as a lawyer, as a bricklayer, as a builder, electrician, plumber, whatever it might be, if you do not make your money to work for you, you're going to work for the rest of your life. It doesn't matter if you make $100,000 a year or $1 million. If you don't know how to compound your money, to create wealth, and of course, to preserve your wealth, I'm sorry guys, it ain't gonna go anywhere whatsoever, because I went from being an average Joe making simple money to pretty much being retired less than 40 years old, okay? And as you guys can see here, a quick combination here of Andrew and Paul. One got $704,000 just investing in early stage, and I explain all this thing in our Discord group. So if you are roughly 18, 19, 20, you are so lucky. The earlier you start, the better it is, okay? But back here to our video today, this is, guys, very, very powerful. If you know how to combine option selling, whatever strategy might be, but remember, collecting premium and reinvesting dividends, getting dividends, reinvest in your dividends products, ETFs, index, whatever, you are in the right path. And if you want to follow everything that we're doing right now, you are free to welcome us anytime, okay? As I showed you guys, our account is roughly $18,000. We are up almost $2,400 for this year. But of course, look at this. For example, if I go back here to our Excel, you guys need to understand, okay, and be aware that you must keep pounding your account every single month with some extra contributions. This is the power okay, of dividend investing and option selling. Compound your account with some extra contribution. It doesn't matter if it's $100 a week, $500 a week, $1,000 a week. It doesn't matter, okay? If you combine all these three, which is the option, dividend, and extra contribution, guys, you can get a portfolio very, very small to a very large portfolio very, very fast. This is exactly what I'm doing, and I'm showing all of you black and white in our Discord group. So feel free to join us anytime you like, and you guys can follow all our trades when it comes to option, as well as all our dividend investing, okay? You guys can be part of all these, and of course, you can also learn everything that I'm doing right now. Again, no financial advice, but guess what? I wish I had something like this many, many years ago, that someone can show everything and be very transparent with all of you. And of course, you can also download all the materials as well. So if you have found this strategy valuable, make sure you like this video and subscribe for more insights on option trade and passive income using ETFs, index, commodities, and so on. Until the next video, stay safe, all the best, and happy investing.